welcome to the Secrets to Healing in 30 Days and Beyond. I'm so excited that you're here. You're gonna see that the video courses that I took were up. We filmed those about a couple years ago, and they have all the information you need to get started and to begin to heal. Now, they are basically videoed with other people in the room, and the reason why we did that is because I really love to feedback and to understand what people want. So we had a variety of people, just a small group in there. You won't see them for their own privacy very much, but you'll see like there's a doctor in there asking questions, there's someone who's working on cancer asking questions, there's someone who just wants to get a little healthier or lose some weight asking questions. So we have them in there to help you. Now, because of that, the videos aren't going to be as directed right at you like this one. However, hang in there. Ask me questions as you need, and the first couple of videos you'll see below are, 35, 25 minutes. The rest of them are shorter. They're broken up into different categories and topics. I really hope that you plan, as you're making your circle and your plan for the next 30 days, I'm really hoping that you'll be willing to, go through all those videos. They're gonna have so much information for you, and information empowers you. Information keeps you on track. So after you do the first two videos and you get your plan down, go ahead and just right now, schedule out your time. Get your calendar out right now and schedule out how you're gonna go through this course. And then you'll see below there's gonna be updated information, so we're gonna keep it fresh. Now the videos are a couple years old, but that's okay. They have all the information that you need, and I've added on more videos at the end for you to make sure the information stays updated for you. As well, we have a Facebook page that you can join. It's the DIY Chinese Medicine Facebook group. And you can also go to the page and ask to join the group. And that is also where you can ask me whatever questions you need. If things are coming up out of the ebooks that you need, the acupressure, cupping, moxibustion, herbs, that kind of thing, or if it's about this course with food, ask me. I'm here to help. Thank you so much. Welcome and enjoy.